getting the mail from out on the front porch, waiting on my clients to get here, and my coworker Holly is already in the salon. Walk with me. Isn't our little salon so cute? It actually is a one-bedroom apartment inside a big commercial building. The man who had built this commercial building had a mortgage company, and he had built it where this right here is an apartment that his daughter lived in. Right here where we're standing with the hardwood, this was his, well, her living room. And then, check this out. Bathroom, shower, stackable washer dryer. This was the bedroom. And she lived here and ran his business until the '08 market crisis happened and his business went belly up and the building got sold. And so my landlord has rented this one-bedroom apartment to me since it's in a commercial building. It fits the requirements of our state board. Yeah, and that's like my temporary construction. I've got all these different supplies for the nail taking of the Smokies right behind there. And so it's actually lattice work that's movable. It can be expanded, and I've got bolts in it where it could be panels, making it go longer this way, and it's bolted together so it doesn't tip over. So yeah, that hides all my stuff. My boxes of swag and things. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh, if you're going to find a office space to rent and make it your own little salon suite, all you have to do is go onto your state board's website, and then you see what the requirements are, and then you go out and you look for office space that you can afford to rent. Now, fortunately for me, that sink right there with the kitchen, it's open to my nail area. I didn't have to put in a sink, but when I started out, I don't know if you can see, that building next door, that's where my first salon suite was. It was probably, I don't know, maybe a 9 by 10 office room. That actually had no sink. And so what I did was I picked the open unit that was closest to a water source, the bathroom. So when I bought a sink for like, it was less than 200 bucks at like Home Depot, then I had a plumber come and install it. That cost less than 200 bucks at that time, because I didn't have to put in miles long of plumbing. You see what I'm saying? Get as close to a water source as you can, and it's going to be more affordable. That, putting in the sink, met the state board requirements, and then all you do is have the plumbing inspector come sign your paperwork. They inspected the sink and everything was good and working. And after that, you set up a state board meeting, and then they come and they inspect your salon, and then they sign your paperwork, and then you mail it or drop it off at your state board office, and they stamp it, sign it, and issue you a salon license. And it's that easy, nail techs. It's that easy. And let me tell you now, when I was in this building next door, my rent was $200 a month. Month, not week, month. So it is much more affordable for you to rent your own space and open your own little salon suite than it is to pay booth rent weekly. Hope that helps. Peace out.